In this video, I'll be taking you through the process of disassembling the Thrifty spring-free mini trampoline with handle. As you can tell from the video, disassembling the handle is quite easy. All you need to do is unscrew the black knob that's on the handle so that you can easily pull out the handle, the first part of the handle. After you're done with pulling it out, the next part is to unscrew the handle, the part where you hold with the adjustable part. So that's easy. Just use an Allen key tool, unscrew it, and then you have two parts now: the part where you are holding while exercising or while playing on the trampoline, and the adjustable bit. The next part is disconnecting the part of the handle that's connected to the legs. So in this case, you'll use a spanner. So use the spanner to untighten the nuts used to tighten the handle to the trampoline. Then once it's untightened, you can try and hit as he's trying to do on the video so that the screws can come up and you can easily pull out the legs after the process is done. That was quite easy to do. The next bit, now we are almost done with disassembling this mini trampoline, is trying to unscrew the legs and removing the legs. So the first two legs that are connected to the handle have been connected using screws. So we'll use an Allen key tool again to unscrew the screws that are there and loosen them. Once we've loosened them, we'll just turn the legs anti-clockwise until the legs are loosened. You'll have to repeat this process with all the legs until you finish removing all the legs. Once you're done disconnecting all the legs for this trampoline, you will notice that there are some elastic strings that are used to fasten the jumping mat to the trampoline or to the frame of a trampoline. Untie all the elastic strings around. Once you're done untying the elastic strings, you will notice that on one side of a trampoline, there's a screw-looking metal that has been used to lock the trampoline. Pull out the metal on both sides, and so that you can be able to fold the trampoline to the position it was when it was bought. The metal should be quite easy to pull out. This is also the last process of disassembling this trampoline. Once you finish pulling out the metal, put your trampoline in a vertical position and press it as hard as you can in the middle. Once you do this, your trampoline should be able to fold into quarters so that you can be able to return it into the box as it came when you were purchasing it. That's the end of our disassembling process. Thanks for tuning in.